How to fix monitor going black randomly. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is check the cable connection. Loose or damaged cables can cause the monitor to lose signal. If your cable looks damaged, try replacing it with new one. Now the next thing you want to do is head over to the search bar and here search for screensaver settings. Click on this drop down of screensaver and make sure to select none. Now click on the change power settings option. Here click on change plan settings next to the plan you have selected. You will find the option of turn off the display. Click on this drop down and select never. Now click on save changes. After that is done, the next thing you can do is update the graphic drivers. For that, you want to click on the search bar again and search for device manager. Here, you want to click on display adapters. Then find your display adapter here and right click on that and click on the update driver option. If your problem was due to outdated or corrupted graphic drivers, then this problem will be solved after you update it. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.